G'day, I'm Tony Hooper. I've been living in the area for almost a decade. I'm a local councillor and I've been fighting for our roads and congestion for a lot longer than I've been a councillor. Point Cook Road, we've all heard about the issues of it heaving under overdevelopment, but what a lot of people don't know about is what's going to happen to Millers Road as a result of the Westgate Tunnel Project. 7,000 trucks are predicted to be using this road once that tunnel opens up. Could you imagine what 7,000 trucks are going to do to the daily commute, dropping off kids to school, and what we all do going about on our daily basis? If you want to do something about it, if you want to say, no, that's not good enough, you've got to actually come up with a better solution than more trucks on our suburban streets. Vote Tony Hooper. Visit www.tonyhooper.com.au to see how your voice can make a difference.